guys, how are you all? I hope all of you are really well. So you can see I'm here at Canary Wharf railway station, tube station basically. And here today I have come here to see the winter lights here, which will be from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. and it's from I think 17th January to 27th January. So I have come to see that, and by that time I will just roam around the Canary Wharf, and after 5 o'clock I will go to the winter lights and show you the full vlog. Okay, so stay tuned. So Canary Wharf is like a business hub, the financial hub of London. All the banks, corporate offices, all like business related things you will find here, and you can see very nice tall buildings. All high-rise buildings of London are mostly in this area, and that's why it's like looking very nice. Very tall glass buildings, nice visuals. So this is you can see this is actually the DLR of London, and if you see in this place Shah Rukh Khan's son's Challa Ke Labda Phire from Jab Tak Hai Jan movie, there is a one shot in the same place. This is the DLR, and it's really amazing. Like this area is very amazing, very beautiful, very posh area. So we will walk through to see the winter lights as well, and like they see the buildings are so tall. I'm just mesmerized with the views and buildings here, and doing some fun as well. And there you'll get this kind of like cycle or whatever it is in the road. You can just do like this and see the winter lights. The direction is there, and it's from 17th January to 27th January. And this is the dock area. It's really nice, but it's windy and it's little cold also here. You can listen to the sound of the wind. It's really windy and cold here, and just enjoy the mesmerizing views of Canary Wharf. It's really so beautiful. So we are now heading to the river side, and see the area. Like these are very neat and clean, so beautiful. So this is the river side. I'll show you guys in a while. So the river is the Thames River, and from here only the winter lights is starting. So just come with me. We'll take you to the first winter light, but it's not yet dark. So like maybe the winter lights will not be too much great now, but it will become dark very soon. So this is the Thames River, and we are at the river side in the Canary Wharf. The river banks are so beautifully constructed here. It's really good for walking or running, or even just sit and enjoying the environment, the views here. It's so really nicely constructed river bank. And that's the London. Like London is famous for its construction. This is I think one of the winter lights, so we'll wait till 5 o'clock. It's all now 4:10, so we'll wait for other winter lights to come up. Okay, so this winter light, they are just preparing to start it. So this winter light is almost ready to start, and you can see on the other side the beautiful Thames River, and the river buses are running. I'll take you in a short while close to that area. But how beautiful it is. One side the river, the Thames River, and one side the winter lights. So now here I am at the Canary Wharf Thames Clippers. This is basically the boarding station, or like the stopping station for river buses. So here London is very famous for its transport. You will have trains, tubes, buses, and also the river buses. So you can see it's by Uber boat, and this is the station where you can take tickets and board in. So this is a restaurant just near the river bank, and all the trees are lighted up with LEDs, but since it is daytime it's not looking that much great. And this is the second winter light or third winter light, and it's like fire sticks. It looks like fire, but they are lights. Really nice. So this is, I think, the number 3 here. So we have to see all those lights here. I got the map. This is the map for the winter lights. So we have to see all those things. And these are the trees, the roads of Canary Wharf, all are lit up with LEDs, and it's amazing, just amazing. This is a cruise docking area, and it's really also looking beautiful in the evening with all the lights. This is another winter light, and it's spinning. So this beautiful writing with the LED lights, it is itself another winter light. And take a look at the amazing views. Here is another winter light, and it's in the water itself with red and blue. So this is another winter light with some laser effect, and like actually there are a lot of crowds, lot of people are coming to see this winter light here. Like I can see many people. This is another winter light, and the name of this winter light is Biophilia, and it's like a thread of light is moving, changing its color, and it's also looking very nice in the night. So the light is like a fire, or like it's a very nice. It's moving around the trees, and now you can see it's fully lit it up in orange reddish color. Very good, very nicely set up this winter light. And now you can see it started moving very fast, and this also looks very fantastic. So this is another winter light, and the name of this winter light is Submergence, and I think this will be the most exciting winter lights of all that I have seen today. So come and see how beautiful this full area, lot of crowd, lot of people there taking pictures, videos, and it's really nice with among inside the, like you were actually were submerged in a, like in between lights. All around there are lights, full of lights. It's very nice experience.
I think if I could see, I could go look around.
So this is another winter light, and this winter light is named as Kinetic Perspective.
Straight shots.
And this is how it looks from the side, and it's really nice when it also changes its color. So now you can see it's changing its color and moving. So the name says the Kinetic Perspective. So with its movement it really reflects. So nice, so beautiful to see. So this is another winter light, and it's really in the very big screen, and because of the frame rate you can see some flickering of the light, but when you will see it directly you will not see this flicker. It's very sharp, those lines are, and it's in very big screen, very giant screen, and it looks really nice. And the name of the winter light is Idle Time. So like the random lines making a like shape of a person. Here is another winter light, and it's kind of a flashing winter light, and the name of this winter light is Gist. It's like 360-degree you can see, and it's a flashing light, really nice to see from the front, and you can just go around it and see all the lights. So while roaming around the Canary Wharf, I also found this tunnel kind of bridge. Is a crosswalk bridge, and this is really nice. The lights are like, it doesn't looks like a bridge as well, but it's very beautiful. People I saw, so many people are making reels, taking photos, videos in here because it's really nice. All the colors and the design of it. So this is the last winter light for today, and it's like a illusion prism kind of winter light. It's actually not that much long, but when you will look at it from a certain angle, you will see it's really long. The light is very long. Actually, the light is not that much long. So it's a kind of illusion prism winter light. So after all those visits to the winter light, roaming around the Canary Wharf, I finally searched for an Indian restaurant and ordered fish curry meal and had my dinner. This is a park near the Canary Wharf tube station, and this park also all the trees are lit up with LED lights. It's really so beautiful, and you can see the night time at Canary Wharf. All the buildings are lit up. So that's all for today's vlog, guys. I hope you have liked it, the Canary Wharf and the winter lights, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till the time, take care of yourself and please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.